Mr. Bosma here for Colonial Christian School. I want to show you just how easy and fun it is to program a servo motor using an Arduino Uno. Let me show you. You are looking at a servo motor being given pulses to turn to angles. Let me show you how this works. This wire over here is the ground wire from this power supply. This wire over here is the power from the power supply. It's attached to the red rail while the ground is attached to the blue rail. Over here is the servo input wire. There are 3 wires on it. The red wire in the center is the power. The black wire on the lower part is the ground. The white wire I've connected up across here over to port 1 in the Arduino Uno. There's also a black wire connecting the Arduino ground to the ground rail here in the breadboard. It's just that simple. The wire is just that simple. Let's look at the programming. Here we are up at the top. You have to put this include statement in there. That defines some of the servo commands and also gives you a bunch of functions that can be used and are very handy. I have 2 variables I've declared here as integer. Here is angle. A is set to 45 to start with. And right now, t, the amount of time that it's allowed to move to its position, is set at 1000. Coming down here, you have to tell the Arduino which port the servo is attached to. So I've set up a servo named Servo 1 here. And then here in the setup, this is run one time, I attach it to port 1. Coming down here, this is the main loop. What's happening here is I have a for next loop going from 0 while it's less than 180, and it's incrementing by 30. So each time it turns 30 degrees. The maximum you can send a servo to is 180 in Arduino, and the minimum is 0. So we're going from the minimum to the maximum. Over here is the delay. Remember up here we had that variable t, so we can speed the thing up or slow it down using t here. Down here, we're starting from 180. While it's greater than 0, we're decrementing or subtracting 30. The servo write command sends the information over to the servo motor. It'll turn then to that angle. And here are the results. Servo motor running in pulses that are 30 degrees each. This is Colonial Christian School. I'm Mr. Bosma. Thank you very much.